All right, Christmas dinner for one. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. I love making Christmas dinner, especially when it's just for me. You know what I mean? There's just something about it. It's a little more peaceful when it's just for me. Yeah, I love cooking Christmas dinner. I love Christmas time in general. Christmas time, it's a magical time, all right? When people come together and we just decide to be less douchebaggish than we were the month before. You know, there's a little less douchebaggery around the Christmas time, and that's why I absolutely love Christmas time. It's the best season of the year when people get together and decide to be less assholes than we were before. Yeah, you got to make sure you crimple that up a little bit extra, right? These ASMR videos these days, you got to have a little extra crimply noise for no fucking reason whatsoever, kind of like shaking this thing on the burner before we make the gravy, right? Yeah, you got to make that gravy from scratch, baby. That's what I'm talking about. A little butter, a little flour, a little bit of the stock from the whatchamacallit roast that I made in the crock pot. That's what I'm talking about, bitches. This shit is how you make food, baby. This is what the holidays are all about. Yeah, look at that beautiful. Oh, I want to pour this on myself maybe a little bit later before I go to bed. That's what I'm talking about. Just look at this shit. Homemade food is the best, guys, all right? You know, I've told you before and I'll tell you again, you got to get in the kitchen. You got to make your own food. Remember around Christmas time and any other holiday, just not to be a douchebag, okay?